read was The Immortal Life of Henrietta Lacks. The summary of this book is it's about a woman who struggled with ovarian cancer and her struggle from doctor to doctor to help find relief for her condition. Doing so, a doctor stole some of her cells and grew them in a scientific research lab, only to have them mass-produced around the world without her permission. The big ideas of this book is patients' rights, prejudice, women's rights, women's role in the house, change in character, illness and mental illness, and double standards. Some themes for this book is fight for rights. She has to fight for her rights to be able to go to the doctor and get the care that she needs even though they don't treat her right. And survival of the fittest, she has to work hard to get from doctor to doctor and to be able to pay for it because she has a hard time in life due to prejudice. The two quotes I chose was one for prejudice, which black people didn't question white people's professional judgment. This shows that even though Henrietta believed the doctor had her wrong diagnosis, she didn't say anything because she felt she didn't have the right to. And my second quote is keeping patients' information confidential, and this was an example of patients' rights because even though the doctor felt like she should keep her rights confidential, she didn't. And why you should read if you wonder what happens to blood and skin samples that the doctor take from labs. Do they actually throw it out after they're done testing it? Read to find out a true story of what happened to someone's sample. You should also read the autobiography of Mark Twain or Angela's Ashes by Frank McCourt.